Good morning, dear children, and welcome to mathematics class, dear children. Dear children, today we are going to learn about the same chapter, that is shapes and patterns. But in this, children, today we are going to learn the two different things, that is rolling and sliding, children. Now in this chapter, in this topic, children, we will study which objects roll and which object slides. So the first slide we will see, children, in first slide we will learn about sliding. So children, the objects, any object with flat surface, children. So do you know, children, we have studied about the plane shapes. So which were the plane shapes, children? The shapes which were having the surface as flat. Flat shapes were called as plane shapes, and plane shapes were also called as 2D shapes. Now children, here objects with flat surface will slide. Means nothing but these are the examples, children, like book, box, chessboard, ruler and mobile phone. If you will keep these on sliding, children, slide means nothing but like in the garden you are going, children, you sit on the sliding and you come down directly, you doesn't roll it, है ना? So here sliding means, children, the things when you will slide all these things together, they will not roll, they will slide, children. So they are, why they will slide, children? Because they are with their surface is flat, that's why they will slide, children. So now we will study rolling. In rolling, children, what happens? Objects that are round, see, a round ball, a round candle shape at the down, a round orange, a round shape at the down of the battery, they will roll, children. So these are the different examples of rolling. Which are the different examples of rolling, children? A ball, a candle, an orange and a battery. Now we will do some exercise, children. Before going to exercise, children, I will show you the practical demonstration of rolling and sliding. First of all, children, I have made this as a sliding. I am keeping this as a sliding. Okay, this is my sliding. Now, children, if I am having one tomato in my hand. I am having this tomato, which is not flat shape. It is the round shape. The surface is round one, children. So if I will slide this object from the top, if I will slide this object, so you will see it is rolling. It is not sliding. See, I am doing. Wait. I'll do again. See, it is rolling. It is not sliding. मतलब ये जा रहा है तो देखो रोल हो रहा है नीचे, रोल होके जा रहा है. So this is the rolling object, children, tomato. Now I am having one box, children. If I will keep this box here and if I will slide this box, so it will directly go and see what will happen. देखो ये slide हो गया क्योंकि ये गोल गोल घुमा क्या नहीं. See, one time again. Okay. Now the third object, children, which I have, that is the remote. Now again, if I will throw the remote, children, you will see it will slide, it will not roll. Okay. Now the fourth object, which one I have, a small ball. So in this ball, children, if I will keep on this sliding, the object will roll. See, somewhere it went. It doesn't go in the sliding manner. See. Okay. Now the last object which I have, this is battery cell. So it will also roll because the surface of this is round. So if I will keep this, see, it is rolling. So this is the concept of rolling and sliding, children. Now we will do the exercise which is based on rolling and sliding, children. Now here, circle the objects that will roll. Which are the objects kept here, children? First one is pencil, orange, box and phone. Now tell me which objects will roll, children. So here orange will roll. Why? Because orange doesn't having the flat surface. So now we will circle the shape. Now we will circle the rolling object. So this is circle. Okay. Now wait. So this is the object which will roll, children. Now in next picture, children, we will study circle the objects that will slide. Can you tell me, children, which object will slide here? This ball? No. This one, children? Battery? No. Orange? No. Why? Because it is not having the flat surface. And this suitcase, small suitcase bag, children? Yes, it will slide because it is having this flat surface, children. Now the next slide, circle the objects that will roll. Now again we have to circle the objects that will roll, children. A book? No, children. Why? Because the book is having the flat surface. Then orange. Orange will not roll again, children. Why? Because orange is having the round surface. This chessboard? Yes, chessboard is having again the flat surface. And ruler. Ruler is also having the flat surface. And in the question it is given, circle the objects that will roll. So which is the object that will roll, children? It's the orange. Now the next question is there for you, children. Okay, these were the questions, children. Again one question is there, children. Circle the objects that will slide. Now which object will slide? Can you tell me, children? Orange? No. Book? Yes, book will slide. Why? Because candle, this ball and this orange will have the round surface and this book is having the flat surface. So children, today we have learnt about rolling and sliding. We'll repeat one time. Objects with a flat surface will slide, children, and objects that are round will roll. So there are different objects which are having the round surface will roll, and there are different objects which are having the flat surface will slide. So this is all about today's topic, children. Now today's activity is, children, you have to collect the objects from your home. 2 objects which will slide and 2 objects which will roll, and share the pic in the WhatsApp group. Till then, take care. Bye bye.